Whether we're using the frozen burrito or the thawed burrito, when we microwave it, we're going to use the same technique. What we're going to do is we're going to flip this burrito every 30 seconds. We want to keep the integrity of this nice soft tortilla. The insides are going to get cooked either way, but when we flip, it's going to retain that moist, soft nature. And make sure that when you're flipping it, you keep this flap here tucked in. Very hot, very awesome, ready to go burrito. Let this thing cool before you get into it. You will burn your mouth.